Most men think if they start dressing nice, they'll become superstars that can attract any girl. They're wrong. Dressing nicely is not enough. It may be a part of it. So don't think women will flock to you because you have expensive clothes. It's something else that women want. They want a unique quality that is rarely found in others. If you want to become someone she is obsessed with, you have to change. You need to bring things to another level. Amplify the quirks in your personality. By the end of this video, you will be the charming prince of every girl's dream. Number 9. Look for common ground. It is vital to identify shared interests. Know what types of values and experiences you have in common. It will serve as a foundation upon which you can build your relationship. It can also be used to create a robust connection. When you have a strong connection with a woman, she will feel your presence. It automatically means that she will think about you. So if you want to become a guy about whom she can't stop thinking, then find values that you both share. If you believe that your experiences can make her feel comfortable, then share them. It will also show her that you are genuinely interested in her. It shows that you are not just trying to impress her. She will love you for it. She will think about you all the time. It is because most of the time, women are objectified. But with you, she can take a breather and feel comfortable. Number 8. Don't suffocate her. We understand that it is vital to show interest. However, if you initially invest too much in your relationship, things can go the other way. Try to give her as much space as possible, because if you are constantly talking to her, it can make her feel suffocated. Remember that she will feel disinterested in you when you are overbearing with her. You mustn't be clingy toward her. She will fly away if you hold on to her like a bird. This clingy or overbearing behavior can push her away. Allow her to have her own life. Let her pursue her interests. Let her have her social circle. These things will show that you are mature and can trust others. These actions will make her appreciate you. Besides that, they will also allow her to miss you. So learn to respect her boundaries and personal space. It will create a healthy, dynamic relationship that will be long-lasting. Number 7. Range of emotions. Always express a range of emotions. Don't be the nice guy, because if you fall into that category, you will be friend-zoned quickly. She will not take you seriously if you are always complimentary and polite. On the other hand, you don't want to be a bad boy. Don't be the tough guy who is constantly a nuisance to people around him. These types of people are always teasing and challenging. Both of these guys are equally bad. You need to find a balance between the two of them. So try to understand that women crave a range of emotions. That is something that will hook them immediately. If you want to keep them interested, you must show that you are positive and negative at the same time. Don't become a guy who is highly predictable and boring. However, this does not mean that you become a provocative man. Try mixing up your responses and emotions. Don't have a positive nature constantly. Number 6. You're unattainable. It is an ingenious trick that you can use on famous women, because these women almost always have guys at their feet. They think they are unapproachable and therefore can reject any guy. After each rejection, they feel more powerful and demand more. They are nothing more than spoiled children. They think they can get anything they want, whenever they want. So what happens when a spoiled child is prohibited from getting what he wants? He gets obsessed with it, because that is the only thing he wants. Reaching out for something unattainable is human nature. That unattainable thing holds value for them. So show her that you are an unattainable guy. She will crave your presence simply because you refused her. So whenever a woman who is used to having all the guys at her feet comes across a man she can't get, she will do everything she can to get him. Number 5. Create competition anxiety. It is also a time-tested technique. Whenever a woman sees other women competing for you, they will want you even more. It is because you will become a man who, in their eyes, is a prize. It will be out of her control. She will find you extremely attractive, no matter how hard she tries not to feel that way. She will want you even more. When she thinks there is a lot of competition, it is because the prospect of having a good guy lose to other women is something that she cannot bear to happen. This sort of anxiety will cause her to focus on you. You will become a reason for her to obsess over you. You will become a man about whom she will think 24 hours a day. She will do whatever she can to pique your interest. You may start noticing women wearing provocative dresses around you. Number 4. Don't invest in her. Don't be too emotionally invested in her. It is a very huge mistake that guys make. They start imagining a future with every girl they meet. As a result, they start projecting themselves too much. Don't project yourself into the future with her. Don't think about having a romantic relationship with her. Doing such actions will only make her feel uncomfortable, and you will also feel attached to her. Once you invest strong emotions in a woman, it will become hard for you to move on, because she is a girl you hardly know about. You are still determining if you can get her at all. Doing this will give her way more importance than she deserves. It will put pressure on your shoulders. Every woman can feel this pressure. As a result, she will push herself away from you. So think like an investor and invest intelligently. Number 3, don't be too serious. Don't talk about your plans with her. Describing your plans to her in a very serious tone can have devastating effects. Because if you represent your future in a serious and committed manner, you will become much less attractive. The reason for this lack of interest is because you revealed everything. Now she knows about your intentions and your feelings. There is no mystery left in your personality whatsoever. It will make her think that you are a guy who is too serious about everything. If you are too serious about a relationship with a random girl, she will take you for granted. That can lead to many problems down the line. First of all, you will feel discontent within yourself. You will cease to be a challenge in her eyes. Worst of all, she might think that you are desperate for her. So don't make plans for the future very quickly. Keep challenging her to see if she is worth it. That is the best way to make her obsess over you. Number 2, plan an activity. Plan a fun activity with her. It is an essential task, because the number of hours you spend together doing a healthy activity will bring about a change in her mind. She will subconsciously start seeing you as someone she can have fun with. She will begin to see you as someone with whom she can be herself. Remember that the more time you spend with her, the better she will feel about you. It will lead her to feel more attracted to you. Having a fun activity together will instill feelings of trust. Besides that, she will also feel that you are the kind of guy with whom she can hit it off. It is human nature to fall in love with someone they are having fun with. Girls are very emotional in this sense. Spending quality time with her will make her think about you when she gets home. She will think about all the fantastic things you did together. Number 1, a man in control. Always be an independent man. No girl wants to be with a guy who is dependent on someone. Being independent is one of the core features of masculinity. So, to make women obsess over you, you must learn to be independent. Being independent means not relying on anyone else for emotional support. Being independent also means you can fix your financial problems independently. You must be free to do whatever you want because this brings confidence to your personality. Being independent will also make her feel safe around you. Think about it. If you can protect yourself, it is more likely that you will also be able to protect her. If you can take care of yourself, you can likely take care of her. All of these are essential features in a man whom women obsess over. Conclusion: learn to be patient and remain calm in every situation. Sometimes things are more complex than they seem. Just follow these steps, and you will always make her think about you. However, you must understand that these things can take a lot of time. So try to be patient. Even if none of these tactics work, you do not need to feel disheartened. That is because there are so many women in this world. You can be with whoever you want to be with. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.